have to tell you about this new dry skincare system that SeneGence just came out with this last week. Very innovative and very exciting. I've been using it now for 3 days and I can already see a difference in my skin. And I want to tell you about this. This is the system right here. So it is a cleanser, a day cream, and a night cream. And these three will change your skin from the inside out in such a dramatic way if you have dry or dehydrated or aging skin. And I want to tell you about it, but because it's brand new, I have a lot of notes and I want to go over the notes with you. And I also did some research on some of the amazing ingredients that are inside of here that I was like, wow. After I did this research and actually studied about the ingredients that were in here, I was even more excited about using it myself and also about sharing it with my customers and with those that want to learn more about it. So here we go. First of all, it's dermatologist tested, and Hadley King, who is Dr. Hadley King, who is a major player in the dermatology skincare area of expertise in New York City. She has been on the Oprah show, she's been on the doctor show, she's been on all kinds of shows to talk about dermatology and skincare and anti-aging and all those kind of things. She's well known and respected in that industry. And she has actually endorsed this product by saying to us on stage at our leaders conference just this last weekend. I saw her in person. And she was explaining how all of these ingredients were, she studied every one of the ingredients that are in the skincare, and she was on board with every single one. She goes, this is why it's in there, this is what it's going to do. And she was totally on board with it. She's been using it herself to test it. So that was really exciting. So let me tell you about it. First of all of the three products, the cleanser, the night cream, and the day cream, they all have SenePlex Complex Plus. SenePlex Complex Plus is a proprietary formulation of actives that are specifically SeneGence. No one else has SenePlex Complex. And it's an active enzyme that rushes your cells to the surface faster. So that's not only in the dry skincare, but it's in all the skincares, all of the anti-aging skincare products that we have, all of the solutions products that we have, even in our foundations and our CC creams and everything else. So SenePlex Complex is sort of the crux of our product that makes us different. Then on top of that is Orchid Stem Cells. Orchid Stem Cells obviously are plant-based, and they are powerful antioxidants. And I read several articles yesterday about orchid plant stem cells, and they are the future of anti-aging skincare, and we have it in our skincare. So what the orchid stem cells do is it increases production of collagen and elastin, and because of the communication between the stem cells and the fibroblasts of the skin, it helps with that production of collagen and elastin. So these stem cells actually communicate with the fibroblasts inside of your skin. So this is cellular deep skincare, not just surface. It's cellular deep and actually works inside your skin to give you the results that we're going to talk about. So plant stem cells are ultra firming. They are ultra restructuring. So it gives you the benefits of restructuring of your skin and also refirming of your skin. It revitalizes your appearance by visibly fading. Now I'm reading these notes because I took them yesterday when I was doing the research. Visibly fading the look of dark spots, age spots, and sunspots, plus other discolorations. I mean, what do you think most aging skin has? So this is going to revitalize the appearance by visibly fading those things that we just talked about. It also boosts skin's ability to produce collagen, which we talked about, but it fights free radicals and reverses oxidative damage. Now, oxidative damage is really interesting because oxidative damage means oxygen-free radicals that try to attack your skin. So what this skincare does is it actually puts a barrier between your skin and the atmosphere to where when those free radicals try to attack your skin, they're like Pac-Man. They try to eat it up. But because of that oxidative barrier, then it will, it reverses that damage even. It reverses the damage of the free radicals that have already damaged your skin, and it also gives you protection from damage in the future. So in the cleanser, each one of them has a little bit of different ingredients with some of the same ingredients. So this one, this cleanser, I really love this packaging. Isn't this just beautiful? Look at the bottom of it. Look at this. And see on the night cream, the packaging, it's so beautiful. It's so elegant, right? This is really cool though because it snaps, it opens up and you can hear it snap. Hear that? So now it's open and I can squeeze it out, and then it clicks. So then you know it's closed and it won't leak or anything even when you're traveling. So I love that part. So in the cleanser is a papain enzyme, and that papain enzyme gently exfoliates the skin, and it has yarrow extract, and yarrow extract refines the skin texture. And it has blue seaweed extract, which moisturizes and hydrates the skin. And it has Botan Moist, which is a saccharide complex to restore moisture in the skin. And it also has a proprietary ingredient called Gin Balance. Gin Balance is a fermented Korean ginseng extract that has high antioxidants. So what I wrote is powerful antioxidant, powerful anti-inflammatory, and powerful anti-photo damaging. So not only does the plant stem cells help with the photo damaging and the oxidative damage with the sunspots and all the discoloration, but so does the Gin Balance, which is the ginseng. It's Korean ginseng, and it is very powerful, and it also soothes and balances the moisture of the skin. So it's very powerful ingredients that are in the cleanser. And there's also blue seaweed extract, which moisturizes and hydrates the skin. I don't know if I said that or not. Let's see, what else? There's oils. There's avocado oil. There's safflower oil, nangai oil, and jojoba oil. So, I mean, just this cleanser alone, doesn't it sound so good for your skin, right? All right, so now let's talk about the day cream. The day cream is the same packaging. It's taller, obviously. I don't know it's 1.66 fluid ounces. This one has SenePlex and the Orchid Stem Cells, but it also has some different ingredients than the cleanser. Besides some of the same ingredients, it has Myrothamius extract, which is a hydrator and protects the skin. It has copper tripeptide 1, which supports firmer looking skin. It also has glycolic and lactic acids, which helps even out the skin for brightening of the skin's complexion. And it has, let's see, what else does it have? I've got the notes right here. It has arnica green tea extract or complex, and that is an antioxidant that helps protect the skin against free radicals, Pac-Man. And it has the Botan Moist, which is the saccharide complex to restore moisture. It also has the oils that we talked about. And it has the, let's see, what else is there? It helps stressed skin appear revitalized and healthy looking. Now, all of these are formulated without parabens, without animal byproducts, without gluten, without mineral oil, and without sulfates. All of these that I'm going to talk about, the three. Okay, then the night cream is, I love the smell. It's barely there, but the smell is of all of these is kind of real fresh and spa-like, but not overpowering at all. And the key ingredients of the moisturizer, besides the SenePlex complex and the Orchid Stem Cells, is a ingredient called benthamiana. Benthamiana helps improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, uneven skin tone, texture, and radiance. And it has niacinamide. And niacinamide is a niacin, and it helps to support skin's resilience, improves texture by making the pores appear smaller, and it has sodium hyaluronate. And sodium hyaluronate is in some of our other products as well, which helps restore moisture and hydrate the skin. So I wanted to talk about this benthamiana. It helps the radiance of the skin. And you know, as you get older, your skin kind of gets that dull look. So it's going to give that radiance back to your skin. And I wanted to read to you about it also has the nopal cacti flower. The nopal cacti flower delivers a surge of water. I love that word. It delivers a surge of water to your skin and reduces the oxidative stress that we talked about already. So it's pretty darn amazing. The arnica and the green tea extract, the green tea complex is called. It has a role in the anti-photo aging as well. It also is stress resistant, and it diminishes the impact of photo aging and suppresses the breakdown of collagen. That's what the green tea complex does inside of it. And then the nano-sized particles help to get into the cellular level of the skin, and the sodium hyaluronate that's in there, it has incredible hydrating benefits, and it's a humectant that pulls moisture from the air and locks it into the skin, and it hydrates the skin and helps the skin stay flake free. For when people have dry skin, a lot of times they'll notice flakiness, but this takes the flakiness away, and it improves the texture of the skin, obviously, because it's smoother, because it's not flaky. And it also scavenges the oxygen-free radicals. I love that word. It scavenges them. It eats them. I love that. So the free radicals contribute to the oxidative stress, which causes damage at the molecular level of the cell. And so the hyaluronic acid that's in there can help with the get rid of those, break them down, and sort of make them not be able to do what they want to do, and that's eat your skin in layman's terms. And it also can promote the proliferation of epidermal cells. Promote the proliferation, that means the growth of your cells. So that means that not only is those cells coming up to the surface faster because of SenePlex complex, but it's also helping with the growth of your cell and the proliferation, making more new cells, which is what you want because that's what gives you younger looking skin. So again, I'm telling you what, I hope you understand this better now and why you need this product. And I'm telling you what, I'm in love with it. And I've only used it for a couple days and I can see a difference in my skin already. And I'm 67, well, I'll be 67 in 2 weeks. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.